Hello friends, I am Patricia Roberts and I will present to you an updated version of the previous video on Qigong and Tai Chi where I explain Incarnational Spirituality. We shall begin with the classical Tai Chi stance. Feet parallel, shoulder width apart, knees slightly bent, back very straight, and feeling as if there is a string pulling us up from the heavens. At the same time, we also feel the gravity pulling us down. We live in the tension between heaven and earth. To start with, you may close your eyes once you have learned how to do it. It is important to be totally concentrated in our bodies. So I am going to close my eyes and move inside my body, coming into contact with all my joints. I need to let go of all tensions, to allow the energy to flow freely through my bones. I go down with my attention all the way to my feet. Once I am in my feet, I feel the ground and imagine that I am growing roots from the soles of my feet into the heart of the earth. The roots go as deep as I am tall. Now I breathe and absorb the life energy like threads of light into my feet. I visualize this light coming up the roots to my feet. I see my feet full of light. Every single bone is full of light as if it were an X-ray. I continue to breathe and pull the energy up my legs through the marrow of the bones in the legs, all the way to the knees. I see my knees full of light. Continue to breathe and move the energy up the upper leg through the marrow of the bone, all the way to the hips. Place your hands on your hips and visualize your hips full of light. Visualize your tailbone and breathe through your tailbone. Absorb the life energy moving up the marrow of your spine, all the way to the cervical vertebra, and leave it there. Place your hands below your navel in a place called the Dantian. It doesn't matter which hand goes first. And visualize the energy coming together in that place and spreading to all your internal organs. Visualize your kidneys, your bladder, and your sexual organs in the color deep blue or black and wet. Be present to those organs and feel grateful to them. Smile at them and thank them for the work they do. The organs accept you and smile back and fill with light. Visualize your liver and your gallbladder in the color green. And also feel grateful for them because they do such good work. Smile at them and they accept you, and smile back and fill with light. Visualize your stomach, spleen, and pancreas in the color orange. And again, feel grateful to them, smile at them, and they smile back and fill with light. All the lower organs are awake and happy, filling with this life energy. Place your hands on your heart and visualize your heart and your small intestine in the color red. And again, be very grateful and smile at them, thank them for the work they do. They smile back and fill with light. Open your arms and visualize your lungs and the large intestine in the color white. And again, feel grateful for those organs. Smile at them, they smile back and fill with light. Lower your hands. Now breathe through the fingers, absorb the life energy and let it come into your hands. Visualize all the bones in your hands full of light. Continue to breathe and move this energy up the lower arm through the marrow of the bone, like light, all the way to your elbows, and then continue to breathe in and move the energy up the upper arm through the marrow of the bone like light. Let this light go into the clavicle and the palate bone, and the energy you left in the marrow of the spine goes out into the ribs, filling them with light, all the way to the sternum. The upper torso is filled with light. Place your hands in the cervical vertebra where you left the energy and move it up to your head. Place your hands on your head and visualize every single bone in your head and your face, including your teeth, filled with light. Visualize your brains. And again, greet your brain. Smile at your brain and thank it for all the work it does. Ask your brain to continue to be your connection with the logical world. And the brain accepts you, smiles back, and fills with light. Return with your hands to the dantian and feel every single cell in your body awake and happy, being filled with this life energy. Your whole body is in harmony with your nature.